Have you ever wondered how crypto tokens really work behind the scenes? We're not just talking about trading. We're talking about how tokens are created from nothing, how the entire system functions. Today, we're going deep, from blockchain basics to live token deployment. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to create your own token step by step. Want to skip the learning curve? DM me at wolves090 on Telegram right now for my free crypto token toolkit, complete with contract templates. Only the first 50 people get it. What is a crypto token, really? At its core, a token is just a smart contract, code running on a blockchain. The most popular standard? ERC-20, the blueprint for creating tradable, secure tokens. Key fact: the blockchain is a public ledger, meaning every transaction is recorded forever. No banks, no middlemen, just pure decentralization. Want my exclusive 2024 blockchain comparison chart? Not all chains are equal. DM at wolves090. I'll send it to you for free. What makes a token valuable? 3 critical factors. Utility. Does it have a real use? Access, voting, staking. Scarcity is supply limited. Are tokens burned over time? Demand. Do people actually want it? The most successful tokens master all 3. How to create your own token, step by step. Here's the breakdown. Setup Remix, IDA, free, browser-based. Write your smart contract and Solidity. Deploy to your chosen blockchain. Verify, add liquidity. Warning: most tutorials skip critical security checks. Don't risk exploits. I've got a pre-audited contract template with built-in safeguards. DM at wolves090 to get it. Your token is live. Now what? The real work begins. Create liquidity pools, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. Get listed, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. Build a community, Twitter, Telegram, Discord. Consider a pre-sale, IDO, for early funding. Biggest mistake? Skipping the marketing plan. I've got a 30-day launch checklist that works even if you have 0 followers. Want it? DM at wolves090 now. Final reality check. Anyone can create a token, but creating a successful one, that takes strategy, tools, and timing. Free one-on-one consultations this week. Only 20 spots. If you're serious about launching the right way, message me at wolves090 on Telegram. Let's make your crypto vision a reality.